Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ndi Naija and I'm here to do I think a mini Franken-planning video. So let's start with the beginning, right? One sec. Ooh, excuse me y'all, this weather changing is weird. So this here is my main planner, my everyday carry. It is an Erin Condren hourly that I took off the coil and I made it a disc bound planner. So as I've showed you before, I have several months in here, and then I think it's after November or so that I have just the monthly pages. After December, I just have the monthly pages. So I'm trying to consolidate what I carry. Typically what I carry every day is my planner and a notebook. And then for work days, which is every weekday, I carry my full focus planner for work. So I'm trying to consolidate what I carry, or what I should carry every day, into 2 books. So enter this planner. This is the student planner that was sold at Target. It's a very beautiful planner. I love the dividers and, well, I guess I love the dividers and the currently page. This is a happy planner. As you can see from the cover, it's the lilac discs, very beautiful. I am not so fond of the layout for my weeks, but I think I want to use this planner to record different sections of my life that I want to capture. Now, I was looking for a teacher planner. I haven't found one yet, and I'm still not sure if I'm going to buy one, but what I want to do in this planner is pretty much what I would have done in the teacher planner, and if I can't find the teacher planner, I'm just going to use this. So I don't know all the sections yet. Oh, I have my meal plan in here because I'm out of town and I'm supposed to meal plan in here. And I typically, these days, I'm beginning to meal plan for 2 weeks. So whatever meals I put in here is what we will eat for 2 weeks. Because, yeah, as a single mom, ain't nobody got time for that. And yeah, that's that. All right, so we are in the middle of October. So I want to put my dashboard layout in here, and I want to put note pages from my notebook in here. Now this is my social media notebook. I write my scripts, my video ideas, what I need to do for YouTube, and so yeah, so scripts, outlines, power sheets review. So all this stuff, most of the stuff in my videos is in here in one way or another. If I'm planning a video, it's in here. This is supposed to be my next immigrant-related video, and then that's that. So I want to put this together with the dashboard layout. My intention is to use the dashboard layout as a pre-planner, and I'm not sure, but right now I suspect that it will become my main planner after a while. So what I'm going to do is this. This is the month of October. I will not be using the monthly layout because I'm not fond of this monthly layout that has Sunday in this. I'm not sure if you're seeing it well. I'm not fond of the monthly layout that has Sunday and Saturday with this shading or coloring. I like a plain layout because I prefer a Monday start. So my typical monthly layout would have these up here whited out and my weekends together. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so that the weekends that I drop my son off, I could just washi tape across, and be done. So for the month of October, I'll be putting this in here. See how clean this is? Actually, I don't think I'm right. Actually, I do think I'm right. All right, let's see how this works. So this is going to be the October monthly. So this is going to be the October monthly, and then I will have the dashboard layout pages until the end of the month. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this because I like this page. Uh-oh, it appears I am about to have a visitor. So I might just have to put these in different sections. I think I'm just going to have to do that. Excuse me, y'all. Kids calling. Bye. Or one sec, I'll be right back. Hello, everyone. I said I would be right back, but as you can see, I did not come right back. I'm back home now, and planning time. So I went ahead, as you all know, like a couple seconds ago, I was trying to figure out how I would Franken-plan the student layout planner with my notebook, my social media notebook, and the dashboard layout for my pre-planner, which is that. So I want to show you guys what I decided to do. I had a bit of a brain fart, if you would call it that, and figured, well, I already disc bound this planner. Why don't I go ahead and use it the way a disc bound planner should be, where you can insert, uninsert, reinsert pages at will, wherever you like. That's the flexibility of the disc bound system. So I already had, oops, one second. So I already had a section here where I put, which was at the back of the planner. If you would see, the Erin Condren planners come with 4 sheets of stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are original. This set of stickers is from the notebook I got to Frankenplan, to originally Frankenplan with this planner. And then I put a set of Happy Planner stickers from an old budget extension pack that I had. So I figured, why don't I make a Happy Planner section in my Erin Condren planner? Weird, but stay with me. There's a there's a method to this madness, I assure you. So I figured, since I already have that, why shouldn't I just go ahead and put a Happy Planner section in this planner? And it makes sense because it makes sense to have this as a section together, because the pages of the Erin Condren Life Planner and the Happy Planner are different. If you look closely, you may not see it very well because of these dividers I have. But let's do this. So from here you can see that the Erin Condren pages are shorter than the Happy Planner pages. In terms of, you can also see it from the bottom here. So the Happy Planner pages are taller than the Erin Condren pages. There, see it over there. But on this side, their pages are also narrower. So if I were to intersperse the Happy Planner pages with the Erin Condren, the whole thing would just be all sorts of janky. So I decided to have a uniformity to the jankiness. Uniform Jankiness, that would be a great band name for a alternative rock. Okay, I'm getting off on a tangent. So I decided to keep the Happy Planner pages together, the Erin Condren pages together, blah blah blah. So we have a couple of pages of budget stickers, and then we have the extension pack. I wasn't really into the green, for that was the first month of this extension pack, so I decided to go with peach. And it goes with the layout that I intended to have this week to use these washi tapes and kind of build some form of decoration around these. So I will show you what I did. I already changed the month to a Monday start. Bring it closer so you can see. I'm not sure if I will keep this as October or November because October is pretty much done. We are in the last, well, according to the planner, we are in the last week of October. 1 second. Yeah. So, yeah. Next week is the last week of October. And then we go into the November weeklies, which begin with October 29th. So, I'm not sure. Uh-oh, what did I do? I held these pages together. I'll let you know why in a minute. I need actual paper clips, which are separate from here. So, I think I'll just leave this as October, and maybe I can do some sort of back planning or something. So that's that. And I have the 1 week left in October, because it ends on the 28th or so, and then we will move into November. I have the rest of these pages in this planner here, with the rest of the 6 months in here also. So all 6 months of the dashboard extension are in here, and then the rest of the student planner are here. So like I said before, I'm not going to use the monthly layout for the student planner. I'm just going to use the weekly layouts as some form of accountability. I'm thinking of it as an accountability slash, I don't know exactly how to describe it, but let me tell you what I intend to do. I think I want to, for different facets of my life that I intend to track or look at or record what happened in, I'm thinking of putting a sticker and maybe a quote, or just saying something about each aspect of my life. So, like I said before, if I fasted that day, if I ate well, or if I exercised or didn't exercise, and why I didn't exercise, and, you know, just different things like that. And I'm hoping that if I use stickers on it, it would brighten up the page, make it look more happy and feel more happy. My meal planning things over there. So this is now in the back of the planner. So we have my main planner, we have my dashboard extension pre-planner section, and then we have my notes. The size of this is going to change, and the location may or may not change. So we have, at the back of the planner, we have the dashboard pre-planning section. We have notes because of my social media stuff. And then we have the personal accountability pages. I think I'll just go with that. And I had this, these are not very holdy, if you know what I mean. They don't hold very well, but I'm not sure that they were intended to. They're supposed to just be bookmarks. So I will glue these sheets or put them together somehow. I love this dashboard, and I intend to use it as the divider for this section of the planner. I'm just going to take this out. So I intend to use this divider as a divider for this section of the planner. So when I put November in here, it's just going to be, this dashboard but with November, and maybe I'll cut off the November tab. So that's that. This folder, by the way, is also one of the is also from the budget extension pack for Happy Planner. So, yep, now I have a Happy Planner section in my Erin Condren. And great for me is that because of the width of the Erin Condren covers, all the pages are, well, with the exception of the tabs, the pages are protected. And that's that. In terms of height, for the most part, let's see how far forward this comes. So there is a slight height issue, but I don't believe it is damaging. I don't believe it is damaging. So that's that. And all of a sudden, I'm now down to one book. When I started this, I thought, oh, I'm just going to keep carrying my 2 books. But then, what's the use of Frankenplanning if you can't have everything in one, right? So that's that. I need to prep for next week. I'm having a daydreamer kind of vibe in terms of decorating. Well, I intend to use this kit from Planner Kate, these washi tapes, and maybe something from here would jump out at me. The next thing I have to do is date my pre-planning section, and then actually use the pre-planning section to pre-plan for next week. And why I keep saying pre-plan is because I want everything down and dirty in here. I intend to use my friction pens to plan in this section so that I can erase and whatnot. So I am feeling pretty good and pretty confident about this whole setup because I have my notes, I have my pre-planning in here, I have my regular planning, and I have the accountability. Maybe I should just call it a sticker playground. How about that? We should just call it a sticker playground. Because I believe the mini stickers should fit in here. Let's test that theory out with one of the boxes from this Daydreamer pack. I wish Happy Planner would come out with a Daydreamer themed alphabets and numbers and all sorts. But they need to bring the sticker pack back. Bring the Daydreamer sticker pack back. Please, Happy Planner. Okay, I'll be serious now. I was looking for a little square sticker. I don't think they fit. Let's see. Big day. Well, this one works. It fits. Let's see the others. Oh, this weekend getaway. That should work. Okay, let's take one of these bigger boxes. Let's see if they fit. They fit width-wise, but not height-wise. If you can see that. So they fit within the day column, but they do not fit the height for the student sticker pack or for the student layout. And I wonder if my student sticker pack would actually have stickers that fit these boxes. I'll have to test that theory out at a later time. But that's all I have, y'all. Let me see if I have a student sticker pack right here. My sticker packs are everywhere. Well, none here. That's that. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try my best to answer them in a future video. Wish me luck. Y'all have a great week. Bye.